Okay guys, welcome to today past question, that is 2025 financial accounting JAMB financial accounting past question and answer bidding class. So this is the year 2025. We're going to be dive into the 2025 JAMB financial accounting past question and answer. So in case you're writing this income examination and you're doing this subject, okay, follow us to the end of this video. Don't forget to give a like, subscribe, and follow and share with your friend. God bless you guys to do so. And in case you need this PDF, okay, you need either the PDF, any of the four subjects, or maybe the science subject, or the commercial subject, or the art subject, we have every subject in stock. So in case you need it, just go to the comment section, give the list of the subjects you need, and I will direct you the step by step on how to download it. Are you ready to go? So let's go. The way we used to do the class, you pick your answer. After the 30 seconds, I will drop the correct option I'll draw the correct option. Are you ready to go? Now, if you're ready to go, so we can move together. Now, let's move to question 1. Let's get started. The correct option to question 1 is option A. So let's move to question 2. The correct option to question 2 is option A. So let's move to question 3. The correct option to question 3 is option B. So let's move to question 4. The correct option to question 4 is option B. So let's move to question 5. The correct option to question 5 is option A. So let's move to question 6. The correct option to question 6 is option A. So let's move to question 7. The correct option to question 7 is option D. So let's move to question 8. The correct option to question 8 is option B. So let's move to question 9. The correct option to question 9 is option A. So let's move to question 10. The correct option to question 10 is option B. So let's move to question 11. The correct option to question 11 is option A. So let's move to question 12. So let me show you the options to question 12. The remaining question on the options. The correct option to question 12 is option B. So let's move to question 13. The correct option to question 13 is option D. So let's move to question 14. The correct option to question 14 is option C. Is option C. So let's move to question 15. The correct option to question 15 is option C. So let's move to question 16. The correct option to question 16 is option A. Let's move to question 17. The correct option to question 17 is option B. So let's move to question 18. Let me give you the remaining question on the option for question 18. The correct option to question 18 is option A. So let's move to question 19. The correct option to question 19 is option A. So let's move to question 20. The correct option to question 20 is option A. So let's move to question 21. So let me give you the options to question 21. Let me show you the options to question 21. So these are the options. The correct option to question 21 is option A. So let's move to question 22. The correct option to question 22 is option D. So let's move to question 23. The correct option to question 23 is option A. So let's move to question 24. The correct option to question 24 is option C. So let's move to question 25. The correct option to question 25, let me share with you the options. The correct option to question 25 is option D. So let's move to question 26. The correct option to The correct option to question 26 is option A. So let's move to question 27. The correct option to question 27 is option B. So let's move to question 28. Let me share with you the remaining option of 28. The correct option to question 28 is option A. So let's move to question 29. The correct option to question 29 is option B. So let's move to question 30. The correct option to question 30 is option B. So let's move to question 31. The correct option to question 31 is option B. So let's move to question 32. The correct option to question 32 is option A. So let's move to question 33. The correct option to question 33 is option C. So let's move to question 34. The correct option to question 34 is option B. So let's move to question 35. The correct option to question 35 is option B. So let's move to question 36. The correct option to question 36 is option C. So let's move to question 37. The correct option to question 37 is option C. So let's move to question 38. The correct option to question 38 is option D. So let's move to question 39. The correct option to question 39 is option C. So let's move to question 40, which is the last question of this 2025 JAMB financial accounting past question and answer. So this the 40th question is the last question. So let's move to it. The correct option to question 40 is option C. So that will come to the end of this reading class for this 2025 JAMB financial accounting past question and answer. So in case you need this past question, you can let me know in the comment section. You can see the past question, we have detailed explanatory answer here. It is well explained there. You can see it is well explained there. Every question, the solution, it is well explained in this past question. So in case you need the past question, you can let me know in the comment section. Give the list of the subjects you need and let me know in the comment section, and I'll direct you the step by step too, so to download it on your phone. So don't forget to share, follow, subscribe, and share with your friend. Give a like to this video. God bless you as you share with your friends, guys. Bye for now.